Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can add members in your circle on Life360. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about the Life360 app. Life360 is an app that helps you connect and protect your family, encourage safer driving, see your family's routine, and know when they'll be home. Now open up Life360 app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then swipe up and there you'll see the option of add a new member. Tap on it. There you'll see the invite code. To share it with the people you want to add in circle, tap on send code. You can share your code via various apps. All you need to do is just tap on it and then select the members that you want to add to your circle. After that, tap on done. Now, a link to join your circle will be sent. This way you can add members on your circle. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.